A stroll along the green corridor is a rejuvenating journey into nature's embrace, right in the heart of Singapore. This scenic trail, once a railway line, winds through lush greenery, offering a serene escape from urban life. The path is lined with towering trees, swaying grasses, and occasional bursts of colorful wildflowers. As you walk, you'll hear the soothing sounds of rustling leaves, chirping birds, and the occasional trickle of a hidden stream. The trail is both tranquil and alive, inviting casual wanderers, joggers, and cyclists alike. Historic remnants of the old railway add a touch of nostalgia, connecting visitors to the site's rich past. Along the way, you might spot playful squirrels or catch the sight of butterflies flitting between blooms. Whether you're walking solo or with friends, the Green Corridor offers moments of reflection, connection, and appreciation for Singapore's natural beauty.
Sarap yung ilagay sa bahay.
Ay, sarap yan.
Kapito mo. Sarap sa bahay, no? May ganyan malaki kang bahay. Lagyan mo sa sala. Di ba pagkakagay yung ano? Fiber kasi. Carbon fiber? Carbon fiber. Ano reptile nyo?
Bearded dragon.
Ay, yung ano? Pinapakain nyo ng crickets?
Ah,
Ano yung nilalagay nyo?
superworm po.
Ano yung nilalagay yung puti?
Vitamins po.
Yung nilalagay mo na sa puti yung ano, insekto
Opo.
para vitamins
Ay,
yan.
may video.
Oh.
Kwento mo kay Tito.